So, ayun po, kita niyo ba, may yung KitchenAid na blender is may design siya na parang may leak na area dito sa likuran niya. Kita ba? Yan. So, if ever na may makakalat dito, mag-accumulate siya dito, and lalabas siya dito. Even though na dadaan siya sa may wire, kasi yung wire parang sealed naman siya, hindi siya, wala siyang part na makakapasok talaga yung tubig. So what you are going to do if this happens to you, you're just going to take a clean or somehow a rag and then clean it like that to help absorb the liquid that has been leaked or yung na-leak na liquid yung na-blend mo. I don't know if my grammar is right, sorry. Grammar police dyan, just correct me with the decency naman. So I have just finished my strawberry Yakult smoothie right here, and napakasarap and napakapino na nice. And this time, messy na, and I'm going to give you on how to clean your KitchenAid blender with its personal jar. So easy lang actually. If you fill lang ng water, halfway full, and some detergent. Actually, detergent to guys, baka akala niyo shampoo. And you're going to take your blade attachment here. And simple lang. Number 1 dial lang, and it will clean itself for around 20 seconds. Ayan, and you have to do to shake it somehow, and tatapon nyo lang yung liquid, yung itira. And the last part is yung parang ibabanlaw yung inner na compartment. So you have going to do it around 10 seconds or so. Ayan lang, ganun lang ka-easy, at saka itapon nyo lang yung tubig sa loob. There. Sa kanyang blender jar na malaki, actually the same process naman. Fill nyo lang siya ng tubig and detergent. So yan, half na tubig and some detergent. Put it on your blender with some lid on. 20 seconds and it will clean itself. So yun na yun. We're going to just wash it off. And para sa akin, ito yung nagawa natin. Feel ko siya ng kanyang limit talaga, and I'm going to rinse it for 10 seconds or so. And yun na. And open your lid and throw this liquid away. And also, you can also rinse it on your faucet. So you're going to take some dry rag or cloth, and you're going to wipe it off until it gets dry. So, depende sa inyo. Akin kasi sometimes if wala akong time, ini-air dry ko lang siya. And you can also clean it like this. So, to wrap this video up, I'm going to give this KitchenAid mixer a rating of 10 out of 10. Kasi napakaganda ng kanyang performance. And medyo may kamahalan siya, pero sulit talaga yung price niya. And hindi talaga kayo magsisisi sa inyong binayaran kasi magandang somehow investment if ever you are having a business. It will help you a lot. There you have it, guys. I hope you've enjoyed this episode of our trying our KitchenAid K150 blender, and you have seen it perform. And I hope this video is somehow informative to you, and I hope you will subscribe to my YouTube channel for more future videos. Thank you for watching, and see you next time.